Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset your ThinkPad memo heating. First of all, we need to type reset in search bar. Here you see the option. Reset your PC. Open. There in the front of your screen, you see the first button, reset your PC. There is a system option. You put it as by your requirement. As I am check the second option. You see the remove valuable data. Or you need to keep your some choice and files. Select the second option. To install the Windows Phone Cloud or anything. Setup. But select enough cost. Select the option of changing the settings. There is some option to create your IS in the 12 file. And in the last option we need to know and confirm. And next, then the everything ready to go. It takes for a minute. After that, we start resetting your PC. Click the reset button. Now you see the process of resetting is started, and the time is focuses per second. It takes few minutes to reset your PC, and after that you complete this process, your PC restart. After restart, to show your laptop for it to laptop time to reload. As I'm to then use that to ThinkPad. After reset, show the reload order look. That's easy. The percent this here as deserved. And you see there's the service description. That is sweet bell. Very well looked. The butter, what you did, and as I am the program, our left permanently published an issue of that kind of thing local. They throw in to start the resetting process. Here, resetting display as start. The car imitate on and person. Door so that when called is in every risk been considered. Have a 99% of the same with the setting. Is that all scup and take then 100% of the same official can't restart the system? And the save is stating the window updates. You turn standing from the system as it complete the label and we start again and show you the 100% anniversary of the new receipt. The setting the some of the when installed and all 100% is complete. How near answer about the reason as Adam Pakistan in skeptical about the reason is outside. Is yet as per and as by the reason non select the forecast half. Here and they have photo and keyboard type. Don't check the use. They'll both the keyboard. And click yes. Click skip button. This learning I don't have a connection continue with the candidate searching. Now yes, I am after when I sent the best thing of the several PC is to save your kernel as a stable in install colon if best so you will also have Windows systems as a segment is not our close link, you know, nice. need to set your call name and passwords. Try to set a strong password. And set the basic setting and how you prepare your desktop and the first call of help the PC and it did see overhead after that it moves to your part. That's how. I hope you have very enjoyed this video. If you have just video and subscribe my channel, done. Well, okay. Thank you.